Ready to connect Amazon S3? Perfect for developers handling massive data sets. Let's make those bulk files work smarter. Jump into your dashboard, hit source and sync. See my Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox already syncing? Wait. Now, let's add S3 to this powerhouse lineup. Click Link Cloud Storage, select Amazon S3, and name it. I'm calling mine bulk data. Here's the key part. Grab your AWS access credentials from security credentials in your AWS console. You'll need both access key and secret key. So like your region, mine's US East 1, then enter your bucket name. Hit next and watch the magic happen. The system connects to AWS and fetches your documents automatically. Choose your target folder from the displayed options and click Add to RecordsKeeper.AI. And boom, S3 goes into sync mode, processing all your bulk documents. Check Overview for latest files, or search in filters for detailed views. See this service agreement? AI automatically identifies entities, context, and tags everything perfectly. Try RecordsKeeper.AI now and transform your bulk data chaos into organized intelligence.